here we have the beautiful replica of the Ferrari 375. अभी ये कार करण नवाब ने बनाई हुई, he is a good friend. So he made this car few years back with the help of some automobile engineering students. Right, so they designed the frame and everything. The body work and everything was done by Karan himself, and he has done an amazing job. ये जो पूरा shell बनाया हुआ है, right now we open the car, but we will show you the pictures. The whole thing is actually made out of carbon fiber. So it's got layers of carbon fiber in it. So if we can zoom in. You see over here, that's all carbon. उसका जो nose piece है वो उधर पड़ा हुआ है. That too is made out of carbon. But he said that we made this car, मगर उसमें कोई driving pleasure नहीं है. You can't drive this car, and I can understand why you can't drive this car, why you can't enjoy this car, because it is almost undrivable. When I saw this car, I'm like, तो कोई धक्का मार रहा होगा ना तो भी मैं इसके स्टीयरिंग के पीछे नहीं बैठूँ. So let me show you what's happening here. So first of all, I know this is like a what? This is like a what kind of movement. So there's a 500 engine, Royal Enfield 500 engine. It's going to the front diff. This is the diff, and it's basically a front wheel drive car. This is the front of the car. Now I know अगर engineering experience नहीं है, especially automobile engineering, so tend to make such mistakes, but it's okay. Actually full marks to the effort they've put in. Try kiya, most of the people won't even try doing anything like this, but he tried. The kids tried and everything, but we should know what direction to go to. But anyway, mistakes, अगर आप mistakes करोगे तो ही you learn something, right? So now this car is over here for a completely new engine, and we have to redo the suspension, the whole suspension. The whole geometry is off. I can't understand the geometry. इसमें geometry क्या है? Because if you see over here, very simple, I'm telling you, right? This is the lower arm, this is the upper arm, and this is your tie rod for steering. Now usually this geometry, ये जो point है, फिर नीचे का जो lower arm है, right? You have 2 points over here, 2 points over here, and the steering, the tie rod, जो दो line बनती है ना, it has to sit between. The length has to be like equal. Like ऐसे है तो then if this is the upper arm, lower arm, upper arm, lower arm, ये टायर का है, ये चैसी का है. If you draw a line, a straight line, it should be, the length should be on this line, right? That is not happening over here. So that will give you zero bump steer. So when the tires are going up and down, they will be straight. There will be no bump steer. Then if you look from the front, the roll center, I can understand the roll center. Probably, the roll center is way up high over here. If you just eyeball the geometry, it's way over high. So that's a lot of roll center. There is no anti-dive, no anti-squat, वो कुछ geometry है ही नहीं इसमें, right? Moreover, let me give you an example. If Pratham, if you come over here, let me show you what happens. This is bump steer. Just see. You see how the wheel is doing this? So that is known as bump steer. So when it hits the bump, it will do this. Obviously, there is no kingpin in this. Kingpin का angle ही नहीं है. He made this upright, and the upper point and lower point are in one line, right? And the scrub radius also, you see, usually we go for neutral to negative scrub radius, but this has a positive scrub radius. Yeah, so we have to change the whole geometry. We're going to fit uh, Omni or Maruti 800 engine. We are going for that engine. It's, you say, oh yeah, it's 800 cc. मगर अभी हम 800 cc डाल रहे हैं because this whole chassis, I don't think so. It will take the torque of a bigger engine. So we're going for that. Plus, we also have restriction on budget. So, Karan, he doesn't want to spend a lot of money. उसको ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं डालना है इसमें. जो है उसको खाली अच्छे से कार रन कर रहे हैं. He enjoys driving. So obviously, we can't just put a stock engine. We will, raise the compression of the 800 engine. That is F8 D or B. वो वाला engine हम use करेंगे, right? Then in the rear, we wanted to go for a independent suspension, but again, we have budget constraints. So पीछे हम क्या करेंगे? We gonna put a live axle, and it's gonna have trailing arms. We will design the live axle ourselves. Obviously, जो कोई भी live axle इधर मिलती है, it doesn't have the mounts for trailing arms like the 118 does, but other axles नहीं होते. So we're gonna do the modifications of the live axle और उसको trailing arm में convert करेंगे हम. Then the spring rates, the springs used over here are the mold का spring है. So there is no spring rate. If you see now, even if I this shouldn't be the case. I'm like 90 kilos, and see, the car doesn't move because the spring rate is way off, right? So we're gonna make custom springs which will be according to the weight of the car. तो इसमें जितना spring rate चाहिएगा वही हम use करेंगे, right? And he's done good work, but probably obviously automobile engine is very complex. तो उसको idea नहीं, like this whole thing is made out of billet. So obviously full points to the effort that is put in. But anyway, and if you look over here inside the foot pegs, these are the foot pegs. So like very raw. तो ये सब कुछ हम change करेंगे. We gonna put in foot pegs. We gonna change some electricals as well. क्योंकि इसमें like if you do this, then the starter is always on. There is no push button. तो वो भी हम change करेंगे. And yeah, what else? So yeah, and it's like I just can't wait to fix this car. Can't wait to fix the geometry. Can't wait to engineer this car because it looks amazing. Like अगर उसको full इसके body work में देखा हो, it just looks so beautiful. The car looks amazing, and I'm sure once we are done with the engineering, and the first time Karan drives it, he's going to be surprised. He's going to be like, whoa. So abhi to ye car mein you won't get any confidence. You won't get any confidence to go fast, to push the car. But once we are done, he'll be confident to push this car like to the limit. So yeah, probably we're gonna do maybe 2-part. Maybe we'll include this in the final video. We don't know how we're gonna do it, but you'll see the progress of this car. We post on Instagram. Probably that's it for this video.